What Would You Make is a collaboration with the hosts OK at Home DIY and Connie's Creative Creations. The guest host this month is Marika Creations. These women can make a piece of wood tell a story you have not previously heard. So make sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. Their channels are listed in the description box below. In addition, there are other collaborators that are making DIYs out of wood that are fantastic. Therefore, show them some love by subscribing, giving a thumbs up, and commenting on their channels. The playlist is in the description box below. So, let's get started. Summer is coming, and I made a wooden lantern to put outside in the summer, or it may be used inside also. I was inspired by something I saw on Crate & Barrel. It was $99, but on sale for $69.97. So let's get started on our first DIY wooden lantern. The supplies needed include 7 canvas with a wood frame, 28 blocks, and these are the small blocks, brown acrylic paint, hot glue, water, paintbrush, and paper towels. The first thing you want to do is to remove the canvas from all 7 of the wooden frames. And that can be kind of challenging. That probably takes the most time. And if there are any rough spots, then you can sand those areas. So this is a soft wood, but would be better if it was made from hardwood. Then it is time for the assembly part. And if I had to do it over again, I would stain each frame before putting it together. To assemble, you need to place a cube or a little small block at each corner, and then you glue the next frame on top. And you need to continue this process until you get to the top. I began mixing water and some brown paint and stained each of the frames, so you can make your own stain out of brown paint and water. One thing you want to do is make sure that you mix enough in the first place. Since I was going to put a candle inside, I hot glued a backing to the bottom. I placed my battery-operated candle inside, and it can be displayed on your patio, by the front door, or by the fireplace. It looks so rustic and moody. I just love it. Next is a holder for a bottle or flower container. It is a modern piece of art as I see it. Furthermore, it is so easy to make but very impactful. The supplies needed for the modern wooden bottle or vase holder include 2 round cardboard pieces from masking or packaging tape, 14 to 15 tumbling tower blocks for each one, hot glue, and white or black or both acrylic paint. This was inspired by a coffee table I saw on Mitchell & Gold, and I thought I could use that same concept on a candle holder. Now you can put something on top which would look good, but I just wanted the wood and the pattern to show. I obtained some empty rolls of packing tape and hot glued the tumbling tower blocks to the sides, evenly spacing them apart from each other, and it kind of gave a rippling effect. I made each one different. One was painted with black acrylic paint and the other with white acrylic paint. This is so easy. Found a bottle that fits in the middle of the holder. And you can put a small branch inside or a small group of flowers. But I styled it by putting a round vase on top with faux flowers and another with everlasting oil candles inside. Now, I just was on a roll, so I made another one that was just raw wood, and that one will be displayed in the future on my modern tablescape. On to the last DIY. A candelabra looks amazing on a variety of settings, on the table, fireplace, or coffee table. So let's see how this one turns out. The supplies needed for the wooden candelabra include one wooden rod at 10 inches, and I think I purchased this one at Joann's. A battery-operated candlesticks, and I needed 4 of them, and they were from Dollar Tree. 4 round rods at 2.5 inches in height, and I got those from Free Fridays, and all you need is some wood glue and something to hold the rod up while the wood glue dries. Now, this was inspired by Blue Dot Candelabra that was $94, and of course mine is not as large as theirs, but the concept is the same. This can be styled in many ways, but you will see it in my spring/Easter tablescape. I found these short rods at Free Fridays. I could not believe that I scored an entire box of wood pieces, and they're made out of hardwood also. I lined them up and staggered them so they would not be directly across from each other, and balanced the 10-inch rod on some shams. Now here, in order for it to adhere well and not fall apart when you pick it up, I used wood glue to adhere them together, and the next day I had a modern candelabra. I used the base of the Dollar Tree battery-operated candles and just hot glued it to the base. And the reason why I didn't use anything stronger than hot glue is because I may want to take the candles off and put something else on top. Now the batteries were put in the candlestick, and what a great simplistic look. I can't wait to use it. So, D9 Design family, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, help a girl out, like, save, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Remember, love does not begin and end the way we seem to think it does. Love is a battle. Love is a war. And love is growing up. This is by James Baldwin. So thanks for watching, and I appreciate all of your comments. If there's something you would like to see me DIY, please let me know. Other than that, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.